Welcome friends, it's great to see you again. If you're new here, this community is all about landscape photography and the outdoor experience. But today's episode is unlike anything I've done before. I'll be installing a rooftop tent by myself with a little ingenuity and a tool I designed and built for about $100. So I'll walk you through all the steps, however, not in the conventional way. Let me explain the creativity and the concept behind the project. But first, I've added chapters below, like I do in most of my videos. So if you just like to skip ahead for informative reasons, then have at it. This video goes beyond the informative value. It presents a somewhat raw and therapeutic experience while working with your hands and working with your mind. It's really focused on a personal experience, and it highlights the distinguished sounds of metals being handled, motors, ratchets, the hardened tones of stainless steel clunked against wood and other hard surfaces. Basically, subtle but pronounced audible tones that clearly speak definition. They're very subjective. Now, there will be no speeding or ramping up throughout the video. I want to keep this as natural as possible. You'll hear environmental sounds, trains, planes, automobiles, rolling wheels and coasters, natural outdoor sounds, birds, and the rhythm of the wind. I mean, what you won't hear is me narrating or me speaking. What sometimes appear to be mundane tasks can be turned into a labor of love. The art and enjoyment of doing, working with your hands and tools, nuts and bolts, stainless steel. Oh, stainless steel. Oh, I love stainless steel. It's such a gorgeous metal. I get jazzed up. It's all about putting passion behind your craft, and it is so rewarding. For me, it brings me back to my teens and 20s when I worked in the RV industry, doing custom installs, fabricating, all sorts of specialized work, from unusual horse trailer wiring to sunroofs and basically everything in between. So I hope you enjoy this rather introverted side of me, but even more so, I hope that this inspires you and brings you back to memories from long ago, and just basically the joy of working creatively and physically for that matter. So enjoy.